everyone, it's Sammy from Sammy's Sweet Life, and I have a lawn fawn unenveloping, a lawn fawn unboxing, and I thought their packaging was super duper cute. I don't think I've ever ordered directly from their website. I've always gotten my lawn fawn stuff through being on design teams and also scrapbook.com and SimonsSaysStamp.com. Basically, that's all I get my lawn fawn from. So I don't think I've ever actually ordered from Lawn Fawn, but today I got an order from them from Black Friday. I wanted to show you this top thing. Thanks for being awesome. Seriously, you're the best. And then camera magic here. The bottom of it's super cute too. Hashtag Lawn Fawn. With all the social medias on it. And then the back, Lawn Fawn there, and then lawnfawn.com. Super duper duper cute. So I'm going to open this up and we will take a look. I do have all of my scrapbook.com papers and such actually still on my desk to the side. That's how much I've done lately. None. All right, so here is my package. I did not actually order a whole lot from their store. I did order a bunch of stuff from Simon Says Stamp, and I do want to save this twine. I've never used their twine. It does feel a little bit rough. Not like the Twinery twine, but it's so cute. Look at that pattern, and it held that bow really well. So I really love how they did this. It says, thanks so much, Samantha, Debbie. Oh, and it included this, handmade by. Such a cute little thing. I did not realize that that would come with my order. And then this is the free stamp. So let me unwind this. I will be keeping this and using it for a project, and I will have to get more. I like the thickness of it. And I like how it doesn't really, like the end's not super unravelly because it is a little bit more firm and almost scratchy, but not really scratchy. Just it has a rough, coarse texture to it. So I will hold on to that and use that for something. And then as far as other freebies, they included some of their Christmas paper, which is super cute. Just a few 6x6s. And you can see the pattern on the back there. I love that little bunny paper. How cute. Could definitely find something to do with those. So I really like that. That's just unexpected surprises, and then wrapping it with the twine too. I can use all of that for stuff. And so here's what I actually ordered. You had to order a certain amount. I think it was free shipping no matter what for their Black Friday thing, but you had to order a certain amount to get the free stamp. And then if you ordered a certain amount above that, I think it was $100 above that, you got the matching die set for this stamp. So I didn't really care about that, and I wanted a few things specifically from their store that I could not get at Simon Says Stamp's website. So I ended up placing the order and getting just enough to get the cute little bear, which is adorable. So there's the bear, the mask, the little hand sanitizer. It says, I made this germ-free card for you. And so you can exclude the germ-free if you want, since it's 3 different lines of stamping. It's super cute. I think the bear is cute. He can hold lots of different things, and he matches some of the cute bears that they already have. But I love it. I thought it was super cute, and I made sure my order covered that. And one of the things I will show you when I get my Simon Says Stamp order, but one of the things I purchased I thought was actually this, but it wasn't. It was just dotted bouncy lines. And I don't know why I didn't connect the dots. It did say bouncy stitched borders or something. It didn't say anything about clouds, so I just totally went brain dead, ordered the wrong thing. And so I do have that die coming, but this is what I meant to get. And when I went back to look, they were sold out of the die. So I don't know, maybe I just realized they were sold out of that one and picked a different one that I thought was also a cloud, but it was not. So this is the stitching and the cloud cuts, you can see. So you can make cloud borders, and a few of the stamps I ordered from Simon Says Stamp specifically match this one. I need clouds for it, so I thought it was perfect. And since they didn't have it at Simon Says Stamp, I ordered it from Lawn Fawn. This is the Puffy cloud borders, and they are stitched. So I don't know if they have other cloud borders, but this is the one they call Puffy cloud borders, and I love them. I think they're super duper duper cute, and I can't wait to use them. And I'll make lots of cute cards with a few things I ordered specifically to go with this. And then I really liked some of their scripty things, and this was one. It says thank you. I just thought it was really pretty. They have a bunch of different words like this. You can just run it across the bottom of a card. I've seen some really pretty projects with this one. It's called Thank You Border. It's just a cute little scripty font. And they do have a set of scripty words and matching dies, so you just have the tiniest bit of border around the words, and that's going to be my next Lawn Fawn purchase. Whenever I order from anywhere, I'm going to be getting those scripty words and the matching dies because I think they're so beautiful with just the tiny little border around them. But that is going to be really pretty on a project. And then I also got a thanks stamp set. So this one is called Thanks, Thanks, Thanks. So it has the various big thanks and then lots of accessory words to go with it. And I just really love their scripty words. I think that's a really pretty bold sentiment. I'm actually not a huge fan of that one with the stripes. I don't know why. That one just, I don't know. I would probably fill it in with black and just make them all thick black. Just something about it I'm not sure I'm in love with, but I really liked that. I liked all the accessory things to go with it. So I just thought it was a great one. I always like to make thank you cards. That's one of the cards I actually hand out to people for the most part. So I always need some more thank you things. So I thought that one would be great. And you can get the matching dies that cut out thin borders around these thanks. So I may end up with that as well at some point. But I thought I would just try to wing it without that and just use the actual thanks stamps. But we'll see. I might end up with the die because I really like the way that thanks looks. And I think it'd be pretty with the die around it. Anyway, that's it. I just ordered a very small amount from them. I had just ordered a huge order from Simon Says Stamp, so I didn't really need all that much because I ordered I ordered all of the Fawn Fawn from them, but I really wanted to get the bear. When I was ordering the clouds, I thought I might as well get a couple of the other things on my list and get the bear because it is one of their exclusive things. And it is called Germ Free Bear, by the way, so I don't know if that one will be available, but I'll link to everything else down below in the description box for you guys. I hope you guys liked today's video. I will be back with some more hauls coming up soon, and I plan on trying to make a card for this Friday as well. And hopefully my other stamps will come in so I can use the cloud borders because I'm super excited to use those. Let's see, I have my other lawn fawns. Yeah, see, those aren't made for clouds. I do have other things I could use for the clouds, but I have specific ideas in mind for these guys, so I might just hold off and try to see if that Simon Says Stamp order comes in the next couple days. But that is all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.